this video, magluluto tayo ng pwedeng pulutan at pwedeng ulam. So, yun yung sisig tokwa. So, tara, simulan natin. Tapos na natin i-prepare lahat ng mga ingredients natin. Tara, luto na tayo. So, ayun, tapos na yung ating sisig tokwa. So, try na natin. Try natin na may kalamansi naman.
What's your name, boy? Look at you scooting your foot. I'm going to call you Scooter. Come on, boy.
So, yun. May kalamansi. Walang kalamansi. Solid talaga siya. So, ayun. Try nyo to. Mura, madali, masarap. So, ayun na. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye.